This MCQ explanation series is brought to you by Shomu's Biology. Your success, our mission. Give a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to our Shomu's Biology channel to get more of these CSIR NET Life Science LSBT lectures for free.
Developmental biology questions. 1. What role does the bicoid gene product play during Drosophila embryogenesis? Zygotic transcription factor uniformly distributed, maternal effect gene product forming a posterior gradient, maternal effect gene product forming an anterior gradient, gap gene expressed in posterior pole cells. Answer. Maternal effect gene product forming an anterior gradient. Bicoid mRNA is localized at the anterior and translated into a protein that forms a gradient to activate anterior genes like hunchback. 2. Which organism is most suitable for studying fertilization and early cleavage due to transparent embryos and external development? Mouse, zebrafish, chick, Drosophila. Answer. Zebrafish. Zebrafish embryos are transparent and develop externally, making them ideal for real-time developmental studies. 3. Where does the Spearman organizer form in amphibian embryos? Animal pole, vegetal pole, dorsal lip of the blastopore, ventral ectoderm. Answer. Dorsal lip of the blastopore. The Spearman organizer originates at the dorsal lip and is essential for body axis and neural tissue formation. 4. During mammalian development, at which stage does compaction occur? Two-cell stage, morula stage, zygote stage, blastocyst stage. Answer. Morula stage. Compaction occurs at the 8-16 cell stage, leading to polarization and differentiation into inner and outer cells.
Are you enjoying these test questions? Then you can join our online mock test series from Shomu's Biology. Download the app now or contact the given number in the screen.
5. Which signaling pathway is key to somatoformation in vertebrate development? WNT signaling, Notch signaling, Hedgehog signaling, FGF signaling. Answer. Notch signaling. Notch activity regulates the segmentation clock and controls periodic somatic boundary formation. 6. What best describes regulative development in early embryos? Cell autonomous development, determination of cell fate by cell lineage, capacity of cells to change fate based on their environment, irreversible differentiation of cells. Answer. Capacity of cells to change fate based on their environment. Regulative development allows cells to adopt new fates in response to surrounding cues, especially in vertebrates. 7. What event determines the dorsoventral axis in Drosophila embryos? Bicoid protein gradient, dorsal protein nuclear localization, nanos mRNA localization, torso receptor signaling. Answer. Dorsal protein nuclear localization. Dorsal protein enters nuclei on the ventral side, activating ventral genes to set up the dorsoventral pattern. 8. What does the process of epiboly refer to during gastrulation? Inward movement of cells, outward spreading and thinning of epithelial sheets, migration of mesodermal cells, cell rearrangement through intercalation. Answer. Outward spreading and thinning of epithelial sheets. Epiboly involves ectodermal layers expanding to enclose the embryo, common in amphibians. 9. What is the function of homeotic Hox genes in development? Control cell division in all tissues, encode enzymes for cell signaling, regulate segmental identity along the anterior-posterior axis, direct fertilization events. Answer. Regulate segmental identity along the anterior-posterior axis. Hox genes encode transcription factors that assign segment identity during development. 10. What maintains meiotic arrest at metaphase 2 in mammalian oocytes? Anaphase promoting complex, APC, maturation promoting factor, MPF, Cytostatic factor, CSF, CD-5 phosphatase. Answer. Cytostatic factor, CSF. CSF sustains MPF activity to maintain metaphase 2 arrest until the egg is activated by fertilization.
Hello future scientists and life science warriors. Are you preparing for the CSIR NET Life Science exam and feeling overwhelmed with what to study, how to practice, and where to start? Well, it's time to level up your preparation with the most loved online coaching platform, Shomu's Biology. Join thousands of successful aspirants who trust Shomu's Biology for expert-led guidance, crystal clear concept explanations, and strategic preparation. From unit-wise mastery to exam-targeted practice, we've got everything you need under one roof. Want daily practice questions like the one you just saw? Get our daily CSIR NET practice page exclusively on the Shomu's Biology app. Just download it from the Google Play Store and start your practice today. Need more support? We offer online test series, live online coaching, study materials shipped to your door. Just call us at 9804654228 and we'll get you started on the right path. This is more than just preparation. This is your launch pad to a career in science. So don't wait. Join Shomu's Biology and let's crack CSIR NET Life Science together.